The Ironmonger is in for Matt tonight. Charlie?
Yeah, and before we get into the weather, just want to give you guys a little fair warning. Yeah, that. Dealing with the bad case of the hiccups. And, well, here we go. Might as well just wear it. Here's a look at your regional radar picture. Nothing showing up right now. Everything will stay relatively clear as we head through the rest of tonight. No rain showers expected, but early tomorrow morning, we will definitely see some fog form up. Now, exactly what time the fog will form? Well, anytime between about 5 a.m. till about 8. Once we get to 9 to 10 a.m., we're going to see the fog lift out of the area, and then we've got a really mostly sunny day. Temperatures are going to get to near where they were earlier this afternoon in the areas at about 90 degrees. I can't do it anymore, guys. The hiccups are too much. We'll get to your full weather authority forecast, hopefully, in just a few minutes.
You have me actually crying over here. We'll see if I can continue on now, Charlie.
Oh, wow.
All right, thanks so much. Well, the sun has set, so to speak.